It may be that the speed of light is the highest in nature. Then there must be a reason. As we know that the maximum speed, v, of a body accelerated by a, can be reached as follows. From this it should already be possible to accelerate the speed, v, of a body to maximum speed if a is large enough. Then one asks oneself, where is the problem that a body still cannot be accelerated above the speed of light? For example, if you want to accelerate a proton to twice the speed of light from a particle accelerator with a radius of 1000 meters, this requires, first, a force of under this acceleration is comparable to the proton being on a planet whose gravity is 3610 to the power of 13. When the proton is accelerated to the maximum of 2 times the speed of light, an inertial drag is created as follows. This is 3.610 to the power of 13 times the weight of the proton on Earth. With this resistance it is no longer possible to accelerate it far with this acceleration, a. But the mass itself remains unchanged, of course. The claim that the mass of a body would increase indefinitely if it were moving at the speed of light should only be enjoyed as a joke. Nevertheless, this power is neither infinite nor unattainable. On the other hand, the kinetic energy of the proton at twice the speed of light is the same as the following. This corresponds to an electron volt of 1.9 GeV. Theoretically, a proton can be accelerated to twice the speed of light by the particle accelerator if it has a power of 1.9 GeV. So the power required for twice the speed of light shouldn't be a problem. Second, the speed of the accelerating force must also be at least twice the speed of light. So here's the problem. If we are not mistaken, particle accelerations currently only take place through the electric field. However, we should know that the electric field also has a speed of propagation that is not infinite or instantaneous. As a result of knowledge of electromagnetism, we are familiar with the fact that the speed of propagation of the electromagnetic wave is equal to the speed of light, and thus the speed of propagation of the electric field certainly cannot exceed the speed of light. This means that a particle cannot be accelerated above the speed of light using the electric field method. Even with even greater force or through multi-stage acceleration, it would not help. The reason has already been explained, because the speed of an accelerated body can never be greater than that of the accelerating force. If the second condition could be met and with an acceleration force from the first condition, the speed of an accelerated particle would increase from 0 after one round to so to 99.99983% of twice the speed of light. Therefore, the unattainability of the fast-then light is actually only because of the technical problem. We have seen that in a hydrogen atom, the proton and neutron run around each other at the speed of light. From this we recognize at least the possibility that a mass body can move at the speed of light. We also explained that force and speed are correlated, speed is created by force and force is created by speed. It is therefore no wonder that the highest speed, the speed of light, was created by the greatest force, the nuclear force. Conversely, the nuclear force is also generated at the speed of light. If the proton and neutron were created from even smaller particles, then these must also be a sovereignty system. Because this system is a down system under core system, these still smaller particles usually have to run even faster than proton and neutron in core system. Then that would be the fast then light. So we cannot rule out that it could exist in nature faster than light. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.